Hey guys, Johnny Farrow here, and welcome to my sneak peek of Season 3 of The Musician Kitchen. So I wanted to let you know a few things that have, some things that have changed, and then, or that are going to change, and then kind of get some feedback from you guys. The first thing is, I definitely am still taking recipe ideas, so I'm putting together my schedule. I kind of have a mock-up of a schedule for the season, but I definitely am still at a point where if anyone has something they want to see, I am definitely open to that. So please, in the comments below, let me know if there's any recipes that you would like to see. The other thing that I'm going to be doing this season is I started an Amazon affiliate program. So there are actually links in the description below to all my prior videos. I actually went and put those in, so if there's anything you see in the video and you're like, man, I really like that knife or that cutting board or, you know, that ice cream maker, whatever it is, links will be in the description of every video, along with the links to everything that I use to make my videos, my audio and video equipment and such. And guys, just so you know, going to those links is a huge help to me. It does not cost you anything extra, so I really appreciate if there's anything you see that you want, or if you're looking for a gift for someone and something I used in an episode would be of use for something like that, please do use the links. Even if you go to the links and then shop on Amazon and get stuff that has nothing to do with the links, that would still help my affiliate program, and I do need to get so many people going through and buying stuff on those links. And I think 180 days I have, and I just started it. So, you know, anything you guys do on that is an incredible help and very much appreciated. Another thing that I'm changing is I actually now have Musician Kitchen merch. Yes! T-shirts, hoodies. I think I have a pint, like a pint glass. I have mugs, and I have one of those aluminum water bottle things, and anyway, really cool stuff. I have 2 different designs. Link for that will be in the description below for my merch store. Definitely check that out. It's a lot of fun, really cool stuff. The one, you know, one of the designs is more subdued, the other one is a little bit more edgy and cheeky, so check those out. I really hope you like those, and you know, if you do, by all means, please pick something up. That, again, appreciated. Okay. So another thing that I am doing for this season, before the season starts, I'm writing a jingle for my program. So it will be something that will start and end my videos. And I'm definitely, again, I'm up for any suggestions, either in terms of genre. The other thing too, guys, is if there are things you think that would be, like, in the comments below, let me know down below what you think of when you think of my channel, my episodes, from what you've seen so far. You know, adjectives or different things that describe the channel for you, because that could actually be very helpful in writing the jingle, and I would really appreciate that, you know, and I just thought that would be cool to involve you guys in the writing process for that, because it is a fun process, and I definitely plan on having a lot of fun with this jingle. It's gonna, you know, I'm definitely, like I said, open to genre suggestions, but likely something high energy, you know, whatever though. Let me know what you guys think, again, in the comments below. And the last thing is that I'm actually working on getting some super fun guests to be on my show this next season. I actually have one guy lined up so far. He's a friend of mine, incredible chef, really excited to have him on, and more to come on that. At least I plan on having more on that. You know, I'll see who I can line up. I know the summertime is busy for a lot of people, but that's another thing to look out for in Season 3. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Season 3 coming at you soon. Let me know at any time if you have any comments, questions, anything you'd like to see. Oh, the other thing is I do plan on doing more with wine pairings in Season 3. I know that was something people wanted. I don't know that it'll be every episode, but I do plan on working that in more. So guys, have an awesome rest of your week. Looking forward to Season 3, and until next video, I'm Johnny Farrow. I'll see you later. Mwah.